Tired of earbuds that slip out or irritate your ears? Imagine earbuds that stay put comfortably, block out background noise, and keep you listening longer without discomfort. These silicone replacement ear tips are designed to do exactly that, giving you a better, more natural sound experience every time you put your earbuds in. I recently switched to these silicone ear tips because my original Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro tips caused an allergic reaction, making my ears itchy and uncomfortable. After trying the small size, I noticed an immediate difference. They fit snugly, never fall out, even when I shake my head vigorously, and most importantly, my ears feel great after hours of use. The soft, elastic silicone molds gently to your ear canal, offering a secure fit without irritation. Plus, they come in 3 sizes: small, 10 mm, medium, 12 mm, and large, 14 mm, so you can find your perfect match. What sets these ear tips apart is their noise-isolating design. By reducing ambient noise, they let you enjoy your music or calls with clearer sound and less distraction. Made from durable, reusable silicone, they're built to last and come in multiple colors to suit your style. You get 3 pairs in total, enough to swap out or share. If you're dealing with uncomfortable or worn-out ear tips, or if you want to upgrade your listening comfort, these silicone replacement ear tips are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to experience earbuds that fit better, feel softer, and sound clearer.